All right, guys, so today is the day we're going to do that living room tour, and I'm so excited, also nervous because I've never done like a full living room tour and everything. It took me like forever. I felt like maybe a month or two to get everything together, so I'm not too I'm not too hard on myself. I think I did it in a good amount of time. It's Now it's now spring, and I think it has like a springy fall look to it. But you will see. So I'm not gonna babble. We're just gonna jump right in. So stay tuned if you want to see all the goodies. Okay, so you open the door and you're in the living room. I hope I have the air on, so I hope it's not too crazy. But let's jump right in so I can tell you where everything is from and all that good stuff. All right, so we're gonna start over here. I'm gonna turn this off so it doesn't get in your guys' way. Okay, so it doesn't tune me out. Let's turn that air off. All right, so right here, I got this console table from Amazon. I got the lamp from Home Goods. I got the decor from Home Goods as well. You can take the top off of that and actually change all the balls and decor in there. So I might do that once I can change that decor maybe for next season. But right now I'm loving this color, so it's just gonna stay. I was kind of iffy about the blue. I don't know if you guys can see that, yeah, about the blue, but hey, it's gonna work. 2 candles came from Dollar Tree. I didn't say again. Console table from Amazon is a good look. If it's still available, you know I will link it below. Then over here, this table stand, or the stand I should say, came from Amazon as well. And on the top row is just pictures of me and Babe. On the second row, it's just a picture of my daughter and my grandma, who has passed like a couple years ago. And in this one right here, I'm gonna zoom so you can see it. This is actually a flower box that I DIY'd, and I got the box from CVS, and then I just put contact paper, nice marble contact paper, and then the flowers are in there are my flowers from Mother's Day, this past Mother's Day. So all the flowers that I received from Babe, my daughter, and everyone, I put it in that box. And then on the end are 2 cards from my parents, my mom and dad. And then below it's a picture of me, my mom, and my daughter. And below is a basket, that nice springy basket that my mom gifted to me. And there is a cup of Babe's grandmother, who also passed the same year that my grandmother passed. Then back here is a closet. This is like the storage closet. It's pretty long. It kind of goes out to like there and stops. So we just kind of like store like coats, and all our storage bins and everything is in there. And then over here is a clock. We got that clock from Walmart. And I love this clock. It's so cute because I don't know if you can see it. I don't know how, if I can zoom in. Like, yeah, okay. So right there it tells you like the days of the week as well. So not only you get the time, you can look on it. Okay. Now you get the time, you can also look at it and know the day of the week. I think that's kind of cool. The sofa, lovely sofa that I love so much, that is so comfy. This sofa came from Big Lots, believe it or not. We actually wanted a same sectional from Wayfair, but through the all the craziness been going on, Wayfair was like months away, so we ended up had to cancel that order and get it from Big Lots. So I'm very happy. The ottoman, this is the ottoman that we bought separately, but it's the same set. It just doesn't sell together. It's like you get the sectional, and then we bought the ottoman separate. So I love it, and I love this ottoman because it opens up, and it's where I keep all the blankets and throw blankets and everything that we throw on the sofa when we're just hanging out on the sofa. And then the pillows, these pillows here are from my mom. She gave those to me. The back gold pillows are from Amazon, and the nice little rustic pillow in the middle is from Walmart. Then we move on to here, and let me just zoom you guys in a little bit. All right, so the table is a DIY that we did. It was a dark mahogany color, and we did a DIY of that a couple weeks ago. I'll link it below if you didn't see it, but it was dark mahogany, and now I love it the way it is now. And then the flowers are from the local flower store, the florist, and the candles is a DIY that I made with some nice beads and craft stuff from Dollar Tree. And the candles, these candles, I have to talk about them. I hate going on this rug. Oh, and the rug is from Walmart as well, but it's so nice and soft. Like, don't excuse my toes. It's so nice and soft and like cushiony. I love this thing. But let me sit here and tell you about these candles. If these candles are still available, I advise you to grab them. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see them. Like, yeah, scent works. I think these are some great candles. I got these from Kohl's, believe it or not. I got this one from Kohl's, that one from Kohl's, and I got one at the bottom here. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Let me get my crazy legs out the way. Ugh. Sorry, guys. And I got this one from Kohl's, which I love. I didn't do a haul because this is like 3 candles, but I love it. Look at the top. It's so pretty. I actually saw a haul from Tina Marie, and I have to give her definitely a shout out because it's because of her haul why I even bought these. And honestly, as I checked this morning, they're still available, so I'm definitely gonna link them that link below in Kohl's. Like I said, they were like $7. Like if you buy one from Bath and Body Works, you know these run you over like almost $25, $26. So definitely check that out. I really think you should. So that's a good thing. Now we're gonna jump over to the bookshelf over here. I hope I'm not missing anything. So this bookshelf took me I feel like forever to get together, and it's still a work in progress. I'm just gonna give you a overlook. Zoom that out. Okay. So I'm sorry if it's like a little dark in here. Like it's really a gloomy day. Then the sun just got out. But anyway, so up there, that picture up top is from Walmart. And then the lanterns on the side is from Target. The vase we had, the 2 candles is from Dollar Tree. The picture frame Man Babe, and the other ones are of the kids. The middle is a tea set that my mom gifted me some time back. There's like a little memorial shelf we love. That's Babe's grandma, that's my grandmother, and that's a pineapple I got from Home Goods. And down here is like a nice punch bowl that my mom gave to me some time back as well. And back here, let me zoom in because I love this. This is actually a carving that my cousin made for me when I was home in Jamaica, and he made this by hand, and I love it. I've had it for years, and I just I can't get rid of it. I love it. It's because I know he made this by hand, so I just love this carving, and it's basically all the parishes in Jamaica, so we love it. So yeah, so I know he's not watching, but I love it that, you know, my cousin made it for me, so I cherish it. So yeah, so yes, cuz I still have it. All right, so then we're gonna go down to the shelf, and the next shelf is candles from Walmart, some potpourri from Dollar Tree, I believe, and then like a nice little cute box, which is actually a card game box there. So I could zoom so you guys could see it. Yeah. So, and we have another one over there, but I hide that one. Then we have a tissue box, cake stand, and a nice little scents. What do you call it? A little potpourri thing, gold thing I got from, I think, Walmart. Down there is okay, right now I don't remember what that's called, but it's like the vapor that you put like the eucalyptus oil and anything. And over there is our alarm system. And over here is Snuggle Bunny, and that's the little pet that we have. That's why I love it. So that's the overview. Now, if I back up a little bit, we have these cute little stands. And I know in here look a little fall, and I'm loving it. I wanted to change into spring, but I'm just loving these colors. So this is the look I'm going for right now. That's what I feel for. So this came from one of Babe's Boss. So it's 2 of them. It's one here. So I love them. And they're like these little decor sticks. And it's the same thing that I took some out and put some up there. But there's some cute little decor sticks. The candle warmer, I think. Wax candle warmer, I think they're called. I love these. They're like nice gold trimming on them. Those came from Walmart. Dollar Tree that I DIY some little label like I did with the candle over here. Walmart, I'm sorry, Dollar Tree. I made those fruit basket. I think from Bed Bath and Beyond. This beautiful thing here, it's my mom. She made this for me. I had these flowers before, but then she added these and made a beautiful bouquet. And it actually came with a pedestal, but I just leave it like this because I love it the way it just sits on the little entertainment stand. Same thing, Dollar Tree, Walmart. That's some alarm motion thing. And then the same thing. And of course, before I forget, let me back up so you can see it. Yeah. So this is our TV. I think Babe might get a bigger TV because I think when we're on here, it's big. And for my opinion, it's nice. But like we see like bigger TVs, I'm like, yeah, we have the space, of course, because we can go all the way. We can always go that way. So we have the space. So we're definitely going to, like later on, we're going to probably get a TV and kind of expand it out a little bit. So that's going to be there. All right, so then we move on to the next room, which is just like an office / fish room. It's like just the relax. We don't really relax in there, but it's just the bar and the office and my little plant space. I love it because it has like a little arch, so it divides the room from the living room for this room. So when we look here, this is my little palmy plant that I've been trying with it for like ever. It had some bugs or something on it, so I just kind of took it out, take off all the dead leaves, kind of replant it. So it's coming back. I'm very happy. It was super long. I'll probably put a picture here how it looked before. It was like way high, so I'm trying to get it back to that. Over here is my little bar area that honestly I don't sit as much as I used to, but sometimes I do at night because then we have like lights here that's like run, like we have lights like that just run on the border, like all around the room. So at night it's pretty, and then we also just have that's, I don't know why that's on, but it's so pretty. It's make the crystals and everything just nice and pretty at night. So yeah, the bar is from the local furniture store. Honestly, these wine glasses are from like, honestly, these crystal are from Marshall's, Macy's, Gifts, and all that. I know this was a gift from my cousin. I still have it. She watched it. I still have it. And it came with these little nice wine glasses. Put little candles in there. I think I got this from Bed Bath and Beyond. There was cute little martini stirrers with look like an olive. So I have that there. The stirrers and stuff that I have here, I think they came from Party City and maybe Bed Bath and Beyond. And believe it or not, I've had it probably from Linen and things. I think that's where I probably got some of them too. So that's the thing. Some wine glasses down there that I love. That even like old coworkers bought for me. I love those. I got the grape ones. The one with the grapes like right there. Yeah. I got that one from, I think, Marshall's. And just some wine and some cider there that's used for decor. And I do drink some wine occasionally. Then over there is a plant rather, that I'm gonna probably, I want to take outside. I just repotted just this week, so I gotta make it. I'm just trying to let it get roots and stuff, and then I'm gonna head it outside. And over here is just Babe's little office. Mine's is in the bedroom, so his is out here. The lamp I got from Walmart. I believe we got the desk from Amazon. Printer, speaker, and then over here is my little flower. My little flower corner, if you want to call it. I love it. This is a plant from Babe. It's a pumpkin that we're trying to grow to see if it, you know, maybe we could plant it outside. One of my little Dollar Tree plants that 3 of them died already, but this one is forget-me-not, so it's still trying to come up. Those are some herbs. I had them on my kitchen sink, but I just decided to bring them in, so maybe I will put them back. And over there, this is my fern I got from Mother's Day from Babe. I'm loving it, so I just have to mist it. It does take work, but I'm loving it. And then right there is my peppermint. And then that's just a motion thing and some cords that we have in motion for the alarm. We have one there, one up on the ceiling and in the corner rather. And this is our book stand / fish stand. And these are fishes. And these are the little fishy babies. There are like 4 of them. There was 5, and they kind of have one. Every time I'm close to them, they come really close. because they think I'm gonna feed them, but I'm not. So those are, and of course, you know, I had to put that little pink one in there. And the curtains, if you're just wondering, came from Bed Bath & Beyond. And that's it, guys. All right, so please like and subscribe if you haven't. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Please stay safe, please stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.